How to save document photos in gallery. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's tutorial we will see how we can save document photos in gallery. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you have received any pictures or photos as a document in your device, and if you want to save it as a gallery, so here I have received some images as a document in my WhatsApp. So to save this as a gallery, what you have to do is you have to upload this to your drive, then you have to install or then you have to download the document from the drive in order to save it to your gallery. So first of all, select your document that you want to save in your gallery. Once you have selected it, tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner, then tap on share. So here you have to search for drive, then tap on drive. Now choose your account from here where you want to save your images. And there you have to provide your location as well. Tap on my drive. Now you can create a folder right here saying that your document photos. Tap on create, then tap on select. Now you can upload this document to your drive. For that, tap on save from the top right corner. Now once the file is uploaded successfully, then you can open up Drive in your device. Here I have successfully uploaded the document. Now you have to open this document from here. Here is the picture. Now to save it to your gallery, tap on the three dot icon and then tap on download. Here the download is successful. Now you can open this file and it's gonna open as an image in your device and which will be saved in your gallery. So that's how you can save document photos in gallery, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.